What's up, guys? This isn't a usual car video. Has to do with cars because we are making a car, but not the usual one that you drive on the street. We're making a Pine Derby car for my daughter's Cub Scouts. They have a Pine Derby, I guess, tournament.
Hey, right now I'm making my derby car. Well, I'm making a design for it, and then we're gonna start on it.
She kind of learned from last year that we need a little bit of weight.
At the back.
And some of the cars that done pretty good, they had a lot of weight in the back. And they were a little slim up front. Last year we went with like a van design. And Kaylin kind of went for my Chevy G30 design that I have, my white van out front. And it did pretty good, didn't it, Kaylin?
Yeah.
It done pretty good.
I'm sure I got us like second place or something.
Third. We got third place. And you won the best design as well.
Yeah. This is going to be the back, this is the middle, and this is going to be like the front.
Just in case y'all was wondering, this is for the Soapbox Derby for Cub Scouts. She does this every year. This is what, our third year, Kaylin? I think third or fourth.
Yeah, third or fourth.
Last year was the first time we placed because we've been learning over time, so we're getting better as we go. Kaylin is a very talented little artist, aren't you, Kay? Her, Lily, and her big sister Bella, they all like to do art projects together, and they've gotten pretty good at the stuff. We'll have to show them your car from last year.
Yeah.
That's the one she won the ribbon for best design.
The top on it, it had like a name. I called it Mad Max.
Okay, so we're going to start cutting this thing up. We're going to have to change our design a little bit because we're doing this last minute. The Derby is tomorrow. I had a busy week with work, so we wasn't able to get in here and do a whole lot. We're going to make a race truck, and that way we can cut the back out, make like a flatbed for it, and we'll make it look nice. And Kaylin, she's an expert painter, so it'll look nice with a masterpiece, won't it? Show them Mad Max from last year. This is Mad Max from last year. She wanted to make it like my G30 Chevy van out front, so we made us a van. And she also won third place and best art. So, didn't you, Kay? So we're going to try and do good again this year.
Okay.
I'm making an outline right now for Kaylin. She's going to do some trimming herself here in a minute. We use my Dremel because it's all I got with woodworking right now, honestly. And we use it every year, don't we, Kay?
Yeah.
And it works out pretty good, don't it?
I'm just scared of it flying in my face.
Yeah.
We made a little person, but we're not actually going to put a person in there now because he decided we're going to do a truck now.
Yeah, we got Kaylin cutting it now. She's trimming a line for me. Just run it straight down that line, baby. There you go.
Okay.
So I had a bit of an issue on here, messed up a little bit because I started on this side cutting and I ended up going backwards on this side. So I mean, we can still probably make something out of that if we have to, but we're gonna just rebuild an old one. This one wasn't a winner. We've done this three years. This will be our fourth, and the first 2 years we didn't do too well. And so last year we placed third. The year before that we placed like 12th. And the first year we placed last. So we've progressed each year. and hopefully we do better this year than last year, and we come in third last year. So let's see what we can see if we can turn this into a truck. That's what we're aiming for. As you can tell, our designing has gotten better over the years too. I mean, we've been just using a Dremel. This one I mainly let Kaylin do when we first started, and last year we both kind of went in hand on that one. I helped her a lot with the chipping the front end off of that one. She gets a little scared of the Dremel sometimes, don't you, Kay? You've had a few of them explode on you, huh? I'll get the front cut off there. I'll have to do some shaping, but it'll work, hopefully.
That was close.
Pretty powerful, don't it?
Huh?
So the thing gets to going, don't it?
Yeah.
Take a flat-headed screwdriver, pop that wood right up off there. They're right, Kay. We'll sand all this down and stuff.
Yeah. It looks like a mess right now, but after we get finished with that, it won't.
It'll look a lot better, won't it?
Cut up the sticker from a couple of years ago.
Mm-hmm. I'll have to cut it off for a second, Kay.
Yep. Got a big chunk off again.
Mm-hmm. It's getting there. Chip that in off there. There you go. Get it down behind here. There you go. Kind of like that. There we go.
Look at that.
There's a big piece off of there.
And it's black on the inside.
Yeah. Alright, pull it up. Kaylin's just chipping all the pieces I saw get inside each crack. Okay. Ready? Got all the front. We will have to sand this down and do some other stuff, but
Yeah.
we'll do that when she gets out of school tomorrow.
Yep. Your hands were in the way. This is sort of like ASMR. It sounds so good.
Alright, I got a trim out on that. We're slowly getting the bed cut out. Alright. Kay's helping me carve that line. Get it nice and deep on there.
It's alright, fine. As long as you stay up above that line on the line, we're okay. Good job. Good job.
You can start.
Okay. Cutting down with the saw now because that got too hot.
You was almost right. It's the Dremel.
The Dremel.
Alright, we're getting that in there a little bit. Alright. Let me pause it so we can do a fast forward.
That's fast. This ain't even fast forward.
Alrighty, I think we got it. Alright. You ready? You want to do the honors?
Yeah.
Popping it off of there.
I pause it now?
Go, Kay. Pull that back off. There you go. You got it. There we go. Get that whole piece up off of there. Alright. Alright. This is what we're looking like so far. I know it looks a mess, but
in bed.
it's going to look a lot better in here in a little bit.
Especially at the front.
Yeah. This is how we're going to trim the bed out. I know it looks like crap, but I'll try and make it straight as possible.
Yeah. Okay. We're gonna put a little Lego guy in the trunk right here.
People are probably gonna wonder why I do this, but they'll find out in a minute, won't they, Kay?
Yeah. Ooh, a lot of smoke is coming up.
Yeah, a lot of smoke. A lot of smoke in it.
Yeah. I'm trying my best to blow it away.
This is Kay's favorite part.
Yep.
Starts popping the ridges out.
Yeah, we had to switch screwdrivers because this one was too big, too thick for these lines. So
There you go. You're getting it. Pull it out of there. Good job. Might have to do some more trimming.
maybe
It's not as easy, huh?
no. We cut them into squares instead now. And it's a lot easier when you cut them into squares. So if you're gonna do this, first of all, you need to at least be able to, I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying.
Be able to have a little bit of strength, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, you gotta be able to pop them things loose pretty good, don't you?
yeah. And if any of you guys join Cub Scouts and do this one here, But take my advice. You want the back bigger and heavier than the front.
Yeah, that's right. It helps push it down the hill faster, don't it?
Yeah. Because my Cub Scouts, we have like a hill, and that's how the track goes, but it's bigger, way bigger. And they and whoever has the best car is whoever has the fastest car is the winner, but whoever has the best design is the winner of that.
Yeah, the best design, huh?
Yeah, I had the best design last year.
Yeah, you had the best design last year. You got a ribbon for it, didn't you?
Yep.
Zeus. We had a fuss at Zeus
Because he was eating the wood pieces.
He's eating the wood pieces. This is Yogi.
I take back what I said earlier. Because
That's Zeus.
a little earlier I said...
What's the Dremel sound like, Kaylin?
It sounds like it's going, nah.
It's going.
Yeah.
Ready?
Now it sounds like it's going bleh. Bleh. Bleh.
Well, it's starting to resemble a truck, somewhat. It's getting there anyway. Not too bad. For me, a 10-year-old and a Dremel, I ain't a woodworker or nothing, but we do pretty decent. We enjoy this stuff. This is our fourth year doing it. We got to take the weights off of this one. This is the one from last year. We didn't want to mess it up. We messed up the new block. Probably not extremely bad. I don't know. Maybe it is. But yeah, we messed this one all up. So this one was from not last year, but the year before. We come in like, I think, 12th or something like that with this one. What it did look like, it looked more like the van. But we've cut everything out, as y'all seen from the start of the video. It's finally starting to resemble a truck. It'll look a lot better once she paints it, after we sand it down and shape the front up and stuff like that. It'll start looking a lot better. I'm in here wrapping this thing up for Kaylin because it's the day of the event, and I'm kind of kicking myself in the butt for not doing this sooner for her, but we'll get it done. Huh? So with my truck broke down, Casey had to come pick me up and take me over to her mom's. Between that span, Kaylin had painted the vehicle already, and Casey was drying it off, so that's what we're gonna cut off too. Can't really hear me talking on it because of the hair dryer. I didn't think of that, but anyway, Kay got it painted and we was doing the finishing touches on it. The last minute drying the car off, Kaylin had a hell of a paint job on it. Casey touching up, we're gonna do the headlight and tail lights on it.
Looks about even, don't you think?
Yeah. I'll show you the front here in a second. Decided to use orange for the rear. Seeing as most of the car is red, had to stand out a little bit. Actually tell their tail lights.
If it don't blend in too much.
Kaylin got sick, so that's why we're finishing it.
She's got a headache.
Her sissy helped her do the windows, and Mama's finishing up the headlight and tail lights, but Kaylin painted the rest of the body. I just helped sand out the wood the rest of the way, but Kaylin helped with most of the trimming, cutting, and majority of the paint job. But it's been a family ordeal for sure this time. Last year it was mostly Kaylin. There's a video of last year's on our family page, the Wilfords, if y'all want to see that. And that's when we built Mad Max and come in 3rd place, and she got best art. So we'll see how we do this year, I guess. I don't know if y'all can see on camera too well, but I mean, they look like taillights to me.
I mean, they don't blend in too much.
I think they look pretty good, honestly. Off right now. Kaylin's over here not feeling too good. I made her smile a little bit. Let me see, your head's hurting, ain't it, baby? You got a headache. This is Hammy. We gotta fix the wheels, they're a little crooked, but for a quick 2-day job, not too bad, huh? Our weight was 498. 5's the limit, so we was close. That's the ramp. They are over there judging the cars right now. One's cool. So they're getting ready to do like a practice run, and then they'll be starting the real runs.
All right, who's ready for some racing? Racing, lay it on me. All right, so
we're gonna do some test runs. This is gonna test the track. It's gonna test our judges who's judging to see who crosses the finish line first. Test these scouts that are pulling the release. This is the first heat. The red one, number 4, won on that one. That middle one won. Ours is up, so hopefully it does well. We're on the far right. Oh, really? This is the third heat. Ours didn't do too great, but it was close. Running our second round. Wow. Them are cool.
And then first place is Harvey.
Oh, Harvey got first. The ribbon. So we got best design again this year for Kaylin. I think her name Hammy she come up with was also a winning factor. But got best design again this year, but she definitely was not fast. I think the wheels honestly were the deciding factor this year on kind of slowing us down. And plus I don't think we got our weight ratio too great. Maybe we should have put this one in the rear with the rest or something to help push it down the hill. Poor Kay was sick this year, so she didn't get to finish the painting, and she didn't get to finish watching the race because she ended up getting really sick sitting in there. But hopefully she feels better here before tomorrow. But she got best design again this year. She's gonna be pretty thrilled about that. And I hope you guys like the video. And if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe, and check out our family channel as well, the Wilfords, if you want to see our previous years of us doing this derby. I know this didn't have a lot to do with cars or anything, but figured I'd throw it on there, introduce you to our family a little bit. We'll see you guys next time.